Hi, I'm Carla. Today I'm going to show you how to get down onto the floor to do your exercises without putting any pressure on either knee. This is good if you have had 2 knee surgeries, but you will need upper arm strength in order to perform this maneuver. So I start by bending my torso till my hands reach the floor. Then I reach my hands forward and slide into a downward dog. Then I slide my body forward into a plank. And then I slowly lower myself to the floor. Now you can roll over and sit yourself up, slide yourself along the floor, and now work on your bending and your straightening exercises. Here's a little bit of bending. You might work on the straightening. When you're done with your exercises, you can roll back onto your belly and push up just like you had before. Roll your toes under, get into the downward dog, and slide your hands toward your feet and stand up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to CB99 videos and give us a super thanks if you can.